Hey, thank you for joining us today. Chris with WNC Pressure Washing. We're going to soft wash this house. Today. Yeah, we're going to walk around here and just show you a few things. So we're going to come back with the after video. Okay, we got this house completed. Got it all soft washed, looking beautiful again. No spider webs, no mold, no mildew. To make your house look this good, call WNC Pressure Washing at 828-331-8118 or visit our website, WNCpressurewashing.com. Thank you.